Hello, Women Lead students. I thought I'd just do a little checkup with you as we've come to the end of our first quarter. Just a gentle reminder about all of the requirements for being part of our Women Lead Honors program, attending the monthly seminars, which you're all doing a great job of, completing the required assignments or journals, participating in the required curriculum. You're all enrolled in honors level courses unless there's been a scheduling conflict, but we've already chatted about that. And then finally, maintaining an average grade of a B+ or above for your curriculum. That means 90s or above. So that is a total grade for the year. That doesn't mean that every single quarter all grades must be above a 90. It just means for the year. So I thought I would show you this little video that I put together to try to help make sure everybody's on the same page about how you get that 90 average for the year in your math, English, history, or social studies or science classes. So scrolling down, as we get down here a little further, how is my average grade calculated? Well, specifically, you add up quarter one twice, quarter two twice, quarter three twice, quarter four twice, and the exam grades once. Then you divide that by 10 because that's 10 grades. And we want that to be greater than or equal to, I should say, our 90. So I could actually change that to an inequality, not to get too mathy here. So in other words, if I multiply both sides of that inequality by 10, it needs to be greater than or equal to 900. So by the end of the year, you're trying to get 900 points total, for instance. Now, we don't know what a lot of these grades are because they're in the future. But at this point, you should know your quarter one average for every course that you've taken. So you can change all of the unknowns that we don't know, which would be all of these grades, just to the letter X, because we don't know what you're going to have for those quarters at this point. But we do know quarter one. Combining our like terms, we now have this master formula that we can use. So let me give you an example of what that would look like. Let's say that quarter one, maybe you finished with an 88. So if you put an 88 in for quarter one, we have this formula. If you take 900 and subtract 88 two times, you know that 8x is 724. So dividing by 8 on both sides, that means your new target is a 90.5. So for quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, you'd be aiming for a 90.5, as well as for your exam. So if you know historically exams are a challenge for you and sometimes you struggle with exams, maybe make sure to get those quarter two, quarter three, quarter fours even higher than a 90.5. Maybe aim for a 92 or a 93. That'll give you a little extra cushion. So please just be keeping this in mind. If you have any questions about grades or about those averages, please don't ever hesitate to stop by and see me. I'm either in my library office or I'm in room 112. All right, if you have questions, please stop by and see me. Thank you.